Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're doing something different. You see the thumbnail, you see what it is. So I'm on Beta Squad channel where they done a challenge. It's called hide and seek versus the SWAT team in prison. So basically, if you escape, you win. That is the aim of the game. I haven't seen the video yet, but it's quite a long video, so I won't be pausing too much because I want to get through it. So let's jump straight tonight and see what the G must say. Let's go.
Today on Beta Squad, we're attempting to break out of a prison. We've all been arrested for a recent crime, so we've got the best SWAT officers in the country to try and stop us.
I'm Josh Whiting. I'm a former member of the Parachute Regiment and I've over 10 years experience in the security industry. This is probably the softest opposition I've ever had to come up against. They're going to get smashed into the ground.
I'm Brad.
Straight off, he's just disrespecting them, like themselves.
I'm from New York. I'm here to take on the Beta Squad from the YouTube videos. I'm back to take on these guys, Beta Squad. I'm coming for you.
The main gate has been locked and we have 15 minutes to hide. Then the seeking begins. After 45 minutes of the SWAT officers tracking us down, the gates will reopen and we will get our chance to escape. This is Beta Squad v the SWAT Team Prison Edition, sponsored by Surfshark VPN.
Hope you have more success running from us than you have running from Mayor of London.
Oh, it's just unnecessary.
Nice. You guys ain't escaping nowhere.
Oh, fucking good.
Good guys are small fry.
What, small what?
Small fry.
The same height as me.
You're not very difficult to find, are you? Yeah, I'm big.
No more waffling. 15 minutes to hide. 15 minutes to hide. Now get out of here. We will find you. Let's go. Hello, Bradley from Gordon. Don't worry, we're coming for you, baby.
This challenge seems fun already, and it just started just by being in the prison, just by you guys only and a camera crew with the seekers searching.
We're coming for you. Come bring it in.
Guess who's going to jail tonight?
They're not gonna find me. Got a magic bag with me.
I have this bag up it's got loads of cool stuff in here. I've got Burger King, you know? Who can say, how many people out there can say they've had Burger King in a cell?
What's the situation? I know you got something crazy up. And there's probably a cab waiting outside to take it to space. And
No,
end up in Galaxy.
nothing up my sleeve. Why are you in jail anyways?
Me?
What'd you do?
Because I actually punched up my mum.
Oh, you what?
I punched up my mum.
Oh, that's too far. You're a bit sick in the head.
It's cool, I'm here for 6 months. GBH, bye-bye.
Oh, I killed my whole family and then burnt them alive.
Okay, cool.
Respect.
Take care.
Yo, James, what are you doing? I'm not with you. You're a sicko.
Alright, arrived at my cell, number 36, specific one.
I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where to hide. Hey, what have you found?
Don't worry about myself.
Where can they possibly hide in a prison though? Like, it's gonna be just cells and God's office and places like that. Like, where can you hide?
Is that your cell?
Yeah, it's my cell. Get up, get the hell on. Alright, everybody seems to be running around trying to find a place to hide. Well, I don't. Let me explain my plan. You see, today my name is not AJ. Today's not Bill. Today's not Triangle.
Today, I am Michael Salford.
I've been studying this video.
Break it. Not break it. Prison break. This guy.
Bill, today's not Triangle.
Today, I am Michael Salford.
I've been studying this video ever since Beta Squad brought this video forward. I'm not trying to hide here. I'm trying to escape this prison.
I think what are you in for? What are you in? I'm in for punching up my mum. What about you? I rigged the fight. Yeah. What the hell is that?
That looks like where the Eminoff brothers, like the head there, hand there. Oh, it looks like there's a bit of blood there as well.
Oh, it's dark though. Oh my gosh, click the door open. What the hell is that? Oh my god. There's a dead baby. Someone cut it up. Oh! I'm not touching that. That's disgusting.
See, I've mapped out this prison. I know exactly where to go. They're not catching me today. I'm just making my way to my... Did I get lost already?
I'm not gonna let me down. Won't let me down. Like won't let me out. Oh, won't let me out. Oh, yeah, it's open.
Idiot.
What the hell is that? That has to be an electric chair.
We're in Gloucester, not America, Ike.
If I was on death row and asked me what my final meal would be, chicken royale with cheese from Burger King. Oh my god.
See this?
Capture beautiful emotions and discover the most interesting places with the new Oppo Find X5 Pro.
This Bradley. This is gonna be you next.
We told you 15 minutes, guys. Where are you doing?
I only need 3 seconds, Bradley.
Wow.
I only need 3. See you soon, King. Love you.
So today, showing off there.
He's a bit too confident, man.
That was my walk. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright, cool. So down here, you can see it's got like 4 on the wall. There's 5 there. Well, 5 is more, so let's go to 5. Where the hell do I go? I need to poo as well. How do I get out of here?
What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you following me?
Alright, listen, if you make that shot right now, I'll get you out of this prison.
From here?
If you can make that shot from there.
Here we go. Oh, I did it. Give me another shot.
No. Time to get to my spot.
Get ready, guys. Got the no look. Got the net in the back. Did that go in? Yes! I think that.
Did it go in?
Guys, got the no look. Got the net in the back.
No.
Did that go in?
No.
Yes! I think that went in.
These guys. Oh my god. They think they're so smart.
Yeah, they do.
Let's hide.
Time's counting down.
If I stand next to the edge, they're gonna see me. Look how slim this wall is. I wanna try and get to the end over there.
Seeing them all going down that way. Head down that way first. Get a lay of the land.
I think I see Kenny going down that way to the right, so let's go down there and follow down there. I think we'll get him first.
He's loud, isn't he?
Chinese. Hey, lunges. Woo! There we go. Stardust. Hey. I think that's warmed me up, so if I ever see them, I'm ready to sprint.
Message of the month. The end is near. Okay, so this is another nice message. Oh, how sweet. Okay, so basically, Bradley and the other guy are right at the bottom. I'm right at the top, and I can't move because if I make any noise, they'll look up. So I'm staying here until they get out of this building, and then I can start with my plan.
Just in case you guys can't see the drawing on my back, I've got the whole prison mapped out right here. Right now, we
this
are
guy, bro.
here, the main hall. Our goal is to get here, which is out of prison. The SWAT officers are currently in the main block A, alright? I've gone through that already. Nico is currently playing basketball inside the courtyard. There's a plant room over here, which I saw a back door before I came in. We have to make that back door work. I wanna go check the back door now. Alright, these are the toilets.
Man actually doing prison break, yo.
Let's exit. Oh my god, this is scary. Which way was it again? I have to check my back. I have to do this just to see. I don't know how Michael Scofield did it, but come on, I'm going now.
You're not like us, Scofield, bro.
Oh my god. What the f is all this? Yo. That just creeped me out.
Now Jordan is gonna let me use his car to hide in.
Wow.
All right, guys, you know, every time I do a hide and seek, I have to go hide in the car. Now, they'll never expect me to be in it. Read it. How did he find me that quick? I was literally just saying about how amazing the spot is. No one's gonna find each other.
Yeah, you'll get caught first, man. What's Chunks doing there? That's such a big spot. Every video, this guy goes in the car.
So here's my plan. I see them coming through here. I can then sprint and get out, jump out of this window. That is honestly a plan. All right, my friends, I've taken a nice little seat here, and you're probably wondering, Nico, why aren't you hiding? Well, let me tell you, my friends, I have a plan. I've got a friend called Steve, and he's pretending to be a microphone guy, and he slipped 2 fake microphones, which are actually air tags, in the 2 SWAT officers. And from here on, I'm tracking them.
Time's nearly up.
10. Oh wow, that's quite smart.
9.
That's smart. He's got the smartest idea so far.
7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Coming to get you f***ers.
Let's go and get him.
They left.
This guy.
I've seen these steps that lead up, and up can only mean one thing.
You guys still trying to hide? You should have been here a long time.
We made it on the roof. They're gonna find me here. More stairs, more stairs. We keep going. I'm the king of the world, baby! Oh my god.
That's where it probably comes, no lights. No, use that quickly, one minute.
Go for it, man.
It's just
I thought he was from New York though.
No one's in there.
Now the SWAT team will start to look for us, but they won't be able to track us by our phones because we're using a VPN, Surfshark baby. But what is a VPN? It's a virtual private network that will make your viewing a whole lot better.
There's many hackers or opportunists out there who will be looking to do things with your personal or card information, especially when using public Wi-Fi, which could be a goldmine for those pesky hackers. Where are these guys at?
I got a feeling it's gonna be one of these.
Nah.
Using the Surfshark app will prevent this from happening by encrypting all
guys are actually
data sent
plugging,
between your device and the internet. Surfshark will help secure your account and make it easier and safer to shop and browse
These guys are
online.
actually plugging promo while doing the video. That's quite
You can
smart.
also change your virtual location on Surfshark, which means you can watch streaming sites from anywhere in the world. And if you happen to be on holiday and you can't access your favourite shows and sports, then use Surfshark to change your location back to the UK and you can watch them just like...
Yo, the way how them advertise this, yo, is so smart because it's not like it's something that just pop up that we can skip. No, it's actually in the video. I like
This is only 2 of the many ways that Surfshark can help you out. Use the code BETASQUAD for 83% off and 3 months for free. So make sure you click the link in the description.
Okay, guys, if you look here, you can see them right over there. I can't believe I'm tracking them. And look, they're a little bit separated as well. So that means that Bradley and the SWAT guy, they're just next to each other. Okay, these guys are on the move. I'm trying to get a glimpse of them.
Let's pack up to the next section.
you are too confident, bro. They're gonna get you.
Oh my gosh. Dude, the storm's each other.
What if they walk around there though? What are you gonna do?
Just telling the camera how you...
I was getting visuals.
Apparently there's a bunch of police posted outside because... So basically AJ is very famous and there's a lot of fans outside waiting to take a picture with AJ.
Well, actually, Chunks, this is all your fault because you put on your story that we're in Gloucester and somehow the Gloucester people managed to track us down to this prison. And now the Gloucester people have found us.
I need to watch out. The police have been called. Oh my god. What is this, mate? Let me go get him. Let me go get the police officer. Sorry, my friend. How's it going, guys?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, I didn't do anything, by the way.
Wait, no. Yeah. You just got some fans out.
Yo, I see someone on the fucking roof. I can't tell who that is though. Hang on, let me make some calls.
Oh, Kenny's calling me. Oh, I see you.
Shut up, them I laugh too
The
much.
Sharky scream.
Hi, Kenny's all the way down there.
That's so bait, bro.
In that building there.
What, how did you get up there?
I found some mad route.
Yeah, they're not getting you. There's no way they're getting you from there.
I've seen one.
They will. They said they would catch you first.
Behind the door, got him.
They said they would catch you first.
Go.
Kenny's getting chased. Kenny's getting chased.
They said they would get you first, bro.
If you're in debt with £5,000
They said they would catch
or
him first.
more,
and
give
they
me
did.
30 seconds to explain how the UK approved legislation.
It's so bait, bro. You should not be making so much noise.
My knee, I think I f***ed up my knee.
0-2.
Oh.
Dudes, Wallah, they've caught Kenny. How did they catch Kenny already? Oh my god, they caught Kenny. Kenny's been caught. Look, oh my god, I just saw Kenny go caught. Kenny go caught, I need to get out of here.
I can't lie, I honestly blame Sharky for being caught so quickly. I was so focused, I was on the lookout to see when they were gonna come. And then me seeing Sharky on the roof put me off my game. Put me off my game so bad.
Never call him, Jerry.
Right now I'm with Jordan who controls the drone here. I can just watch through the drone.
Yeah, let's go to Sharky.
Wait, what? Who's that? He's on the top of the prison.
Oh, we've got company.
Hey, Sharky, what's up? Hey, dude,
I think they're in this building. Right there, there's me. And two of them are in the building. Right there. Next to me. I think they're just round here.
Coming around, bro.
I can hear Nico screaming at Nico.
That's so bait, bro. That's not hide and seek.
Oh my god!
It's bait, bro. You should be hidden, man. You're in bright orange.
Oh my god! It's all.
Run. You're tired. Run, bro. Run, bro. Run, leave them. Run. So now he's gonna be heading to the roof, innit? He's going to the roof.
Oh my god, there's Nico. There's Nico running. There's Nico running. You got caught.
I got caught, bro.
Oh, wait, did you get caught?
Oh, I was about to say. Peace out, Kenny. Free up my brother. Peace out.
Back to where we started.
Yeah.
I need to go. I just arrived at the back door. Hey guys, I just broke out of this prison.
On the alleyway. I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Okay, so the real reason I brought my bag with me is so I can bring my laptop and play some Football Manager, baby. I've got a game right now coming up, a Football Manager. If I win, I'm gonna stay on this roof a little bit longer. If I lose or draw, I have to get off the roof and find a different hiding spot.
Alright, I'm off. You know the worst part is? This is actually a prison. These people probably think I actually left. Let me just try and pull a ride. Anyone? Can you saddle me on the back? I need to escape. No. Hey mate, I know you can stop me. Listen, I need to drive. Take me up the road, my friend. Take me up the road. Why would you take a prisoner?
I don't even know you.
You know you're part of the problem now.
It's worth it.
Okay, listen, just take me up the road here.
Where are your friends,
Is that even
Kenny?
allowed though?
I ain't telling you guys.
Are they allowed to leave the prison? I thought that to hide in the confine of the prison. I didn't know that they can come outside and do it in my door. Like, I didn't know this.
Look. There they are again. Kenny, I need to go down, I'm scared. It's been about 8 minutes since they found Kenny. They are desperately trying to find someone else. And it won't be me, bitch. Listen, this guy is a SWAT. He used to be in the paratroopers, all of that stuff. Military. Well, you can't see. I'm in the car right next to you, idiot.
They're gonna find you, bro.
There's a great spot by me for Kenny.
Oh my god, they're coming too close to me. Oh my god. They're right there. Look.
They're not even looking in the car, bro.
Got him.
Good. That was a stupid hiding spot, bro. That was stupid. It's comfy, but it's stupid. Look at him.
Out you come. He snitched. Kenny told us.
Are you serious?
What? No.
Did he actually snitch? If Kenny snitched on my mum's
Oh, so what they're doing now? They are turning the game against each other. That's smart.
Like, watch when I find him. Did he actually
That's
snitch?
smart,
Wait, so how did he find me then?
So your orange jumpsuit through the tinted windows.
See,
okay.
when I got found, guys, I'm here with Kenny, the other loser. I don't like this. I'm not a loser. No, I didn't get found first.
That's actually correct.
So as you guys can see, I just drew 1-1. I'm Nottingham Forest, and I stick to my words. So I gotta get out of here.
I still think they're in them Portaloos. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the Portaloos, but I think they're in there.
Why is that? What's that drone filming?
Let's go to the roof.
Oh.
That drone's going up, looking up there. How'd you get on the roof?
What's down here? Oh my gosh, there's kids. What the? Yo. Oh wow. What are we saying? There's people hunting me down right now, so not too loud. Let's just get some silent cheers. Wait, AJ went down there. So AJ left as well, he escaped?
Yeah, he went down there.
Here's fine. You can just pull up here. Alright, thank you very much, my friend. Thank you for the drive. Listen, you're on 5-star wanted now, so take care, man.
Can't believe that, did a whole run and now I'm out the prison. Yes, we
Yeah.
broke out of jail tonight. Oh, yes. Yo, excuse me. Yeah, yes, please, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Alright, nice.
Hello, how's it going? I'm doing great. Basically, I've just escaped the prison nearby. I haven't got any money on me. Is there anything I can get for free? Alright, well, that was a good try.
What's your name for the people?
Adil.
Adil, my guy Adil, you know. Where are people? I need to just find people.
To go back towards town?
I can't go that far from that location. I just basically just want to tell someone I broke out of prison, so could we go to that petrol station?
Petrol station?
Yeah.
Maybe I should have just stayed in the prison. That was the worst attempt on earth.
Wait, hold on. Is that a triangle?
Wait, what the hell?
I can't believe it!
What are you doing here?
I can't believe you found an escape.
Yeah, I had to, bro. I planned this ace.
That's so funny.
You know the problem I'm having right now is I don't have my money.
I got money. I'll buy you something.
Yeah, come, let's go.
Oh,
Okay. We're in the prison. Why are we we in the same? We're supposed to be in prison, bro. How did you get out?
I ran for my life. I wetted them. People need to look at the sweat.
How did you get out?
Adil is a G though. Adil is a G to be actually driving them around, bro. Like, that's a G. It's good to get the community involved in stuff like this, bro.
Side door. It was open.
So you just found a side door and I was planning this for how long?
What's this one? This place?
It's a pet store.
Okay, yeah. Let's go, Adil. My guy, man. Excuse me. We just broke out of jail. Have you got like any Rottweilers or anything like that? No. Excuse me. Have you got anything, an area for us to hide? Can we like hide in your car?
You want to hide in my car?
Yeah, yeah. You may get 17 years in jail, but...
Next time I pass on that.
Huh? What's your name?
Andy.
Andy. Yeah, I already knew you. We met 7 years ago. Come on, Andy.
You helped out with the getaway driving in 1987. I know you. You was on the news yesterday. Jason, I saw you in prison.
I didn't know! Okay, you know what? I'm breaking back into prison.
This area is worse. Where is this?
I'm breaking back.
Gloucester's worse than jail.
I'd rather be in jail, man.
Okay, so I'm back in the prison, and I've just found out that Chunks and Kenya both been caught. They've already done it already, but they were going to come back in. They want to come back here? Oh shit, I'm alright. Okay. I want to eat, man.
You get food? Adil, can you please drop me off first and then take AJ to McDonald's?
Alright.
Ah, what a man! Pull up here. Look at all these kids. I'm gone. Bye, Adil. Thank you. I love you, man. I need to sneak back into prison. Okay. Back in we go. Bye, guys. Okay, we're back in the prison. I'm gonna go to the toilet and tell you guys my next stage of my plan.
Get in. Get out. Get in. I'm this one. This way.
Wait. Stay one place, yo.
They just went past me.
You stay there. Catch they come back.
They're going to the roof.
No, not all of them. Stay where you are, idiot. Stay where you are, bro.
Create and share with YouTube Shorts on the new OpenFind X5
What is wrong
Pro.
with these guys, bro? It's so easy to get caught. So adverts on top of adverts on top of adverts on top of adverts. Okay.
Yes! Go!
I thought you went to the roof.
Okay, let's go back. We're going back to the others.
Did you not go to the roof?
No, I knew you was there.
I thought I tricked you.
I knew you was there.
I had a tactical masterclass. It almost worked, and I messed up myself. I duped them both to go up to the roof.
Four.
And it worked, and I came out too soon.
Jackie,
I
come
have
on,
a
bro.
confession to make. I lied to you. Steve is not called Steve. He's actually my friend Josh, and he's wearing a mask, and he's been filming them this whole time. So what I'm now gonna do is switch with Josh and start filming them for the 5 minutes before the gates open. They catch me now, I'm done.
I just get this.
That's a bit too. That's risky.
Let's go back to the prison, man. I'm getting bored.
Come on. Right, let's walk. This is the switch over. Josh is now me, and I am now Steve.
What's happening? You know you're part of this. Alright, come with me. This guy's with me. Hussein is now part of my plan. The SWAT guy's looking for us in this building. We're gonna switch clothes right now, let's do it. Put this on. You didn't think your day would be like this, right? No. Alright, so the plan is to send Hussein in. You're just gonna make as much noise as you can, pretend to be me. Have your hood kinda up, look down, kinda celebrate, be like, yo, I won. They're gonna hunt you down, sprint. Okay. Just run for your life, right? And they're gonna chase you down properly. From this, okay, you don't look like me. From this angle, baby, this angle.
Are they gonna fall for this?
Joining them back.
We've caught 3. AJ and Nicole still to go. With 15 minutes left, it's your chance to reach the evacuation zone. The gate is opening.
That's pretty smart what he's doing though, but it's risky. Very smart, but risky, bro. What? Nah, he's not buying that. They're not buying that.
He's not following the plan.
Patrol around this area.
Cool, I'll look around here.
They're not buying that.
Go that way.
Of course, let's say that is a decoy. Come on, bro.
Bradley's trying to climb from behind. We've got another man over here. No way.
No way, no way.
See you later, son. See you later, son. When the fire's on.
It's faster. It's quick. It's quick.
Oh my god. I thought they were gonna get me.
How did you let that slip?
Uh-oh.
How did I let it slip?
I can't believe that's just happened.
Nico is
got away from
brave,
us.
bro.
Just make it dramatic.
I can't believe he's got away from us.
Thought you'd catch him on the other side. Never mind. Still got to come back
Run
this
that
way.
way. 10 minutes to stay here. I'm staying on this side. We're gonna get him.
Talk to me, Bradley.
It's not long left. We're gonna get him.
Good. Anything else?
Down there.
I gotta.
Oh my god. Yes. He's gonna run, he's gonna run. He's gonna run! Run!
I've got a feeling I've worked something out.
Oh really? What?
Run!
Oh my god, I knew that.
So you got through? Oh my god.
What's good, my friend? I made it! I made it out of prison!
Oh my god. Since the filming earlier, that was us you the whole time since earlier.
It wasn't me earlier. So there was a stunt double who's hiding in the toilets right now. He was gonna run out, but then you clocked me. I saw, I saw in his eyes. He started staring.
It started coming to me. I started thinking, yeah, that I knew.
Unlucky, Bradley. Next time. Unlucky, George. Guys, I'm first one out. Good luck, AJ. See if you can join me.
Good plan. That worked.
I'm free!
I'm doing this for Michael Schofield. Alright, I'm just gonna go for this. Enough is enough.
5 minutes, AJ!
You wait here, I'll go round.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's behind. He's behind.
He's winning by the gate.
He has to run, Go.
Down this way, one door.
Yeah, he would have got out. He's going to try and escape.
Oh my god. Come on, open the door.
Why
Not
is
come this way?
Nothing. Oh, one is kind of okay.
There he is! He's give up.
Can't block the door, man.
Josh!
Come on, bro, you can do it. Come on, I'm rooting for you, bro. Buy your time, don't run yet. Buy your time properly, bro.
He's there.
He's gone!
He's there.
You got this, bro. Let's go! Yeah! He's gone. Let's go! Yeah!
He's got out.
Yo!
He's got out.
No way!
Ah! Yeah! Let's go! That was madness. Yo! That was sick.
You don't won't believe what happened.
Does this mean we're free now? We're free to go?
You're free. 3 men.
Free man.
Never refer to me as AJ ever again. I now formally go as Michael Schofield.
Alright, Michael.
So Chunk, Sharky and Kenny will be locked away forever. Whereas AJ and I have escaped the prison and can now taste freedom with the people. Let's go! So make sure you click the link in the description for Surfshark and play that trailer. We're gonna take.
Yo, the only reason why those two escaped because they went outside the prison. That's what I think. They went outside the prison and had they buy themselves enough time not to be seen. And then, but it was good though. I like that. Guys, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please leave a like on my video. Subscribe around there. If you're new, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.